What's up, stream? This is our agenda today. We're checking out. I'm just gonna mention and read a little bit about the new best coding LLM, CodeQwen. I'm pretty sure this is by Alibaba, that Chinese company. If you haven't heard of them, we will dive into that very soon. R32per, you're first. Hello, welcome. Hope you're doing well. And then I'm going to be creating an AI influencer by today's sponsor, RenderNet.ai. And then we're going to check out OpenVoice. OpenVoice is an open source voice cloning project. Apparently it's really good. It's making some waves. We're going to check it out. And then TaskingAI, it's another user interface to use with multiple LLMs, chat with files, and it has a whole bunch of plugins like web search and stuff. So yeah, we'll be checking that out. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna open up my Twitch just so I think I count as a viewer, and I need to get at least 3 viewers average to, I don't know, count towards some shit. So I'm gonna leave that open. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So I normally use this leaderboard here to see coding models. It's an eval plus leaderboard. And I think it combines human eval and MBPP, and you can get average. And this model right here, CodeQwen 1.5, it's a 7B model that's beating every other open model, even like the 70 billion parameter ones. So that's really cool. I actually started using this before it was announced on this leaderboard because it just looked really good, and from my tests it has been really good. Matrix, oh, thank you for stopping by. No problem. So yeah, let's just read a little bit about it. As I mentioned, it's by Qwen. Qwen is like the kind of AI branch of Alibaba, and Alibaba is like the biggest kind of tech company in... Oh yeah, am I wrong about that? Is it not by Alibaba? When? Oh. Well, let me make sure I'm not talking complete bullshit here. Proposed by Alibaba Cloud. Alibaba Cloud's general purpose AI models, yeah. Yeah, Alibaba is kind of like the Amazon of China, I guess. Yeah, it's beating DeepSeek, it's beating WizardML, it's actually beating a lot. Adam Knight, thank you for the sub. Appreciate you. I think we're gonna get all the YouTube subs. They kind of flood in at the start, so I'll let them come while we talk some shit so it doesn't disrupt my flow. Here we go, as I thought. Milik, Leonard, thank you. How are you guys doing today? How are you doing, R32per? Good to see someone knows about DeepSeek. Yeah, DeepSeek used to be my favorite. Nick Johnson, thank you. And then Magic Coder was my favorite. I haven't even heard of this Artigen, so I'm not sure what that is, but that's new. Open Code Interpreter, I saw that was pretty high on the leaderboard, but I didn't actually get many good results from it myself. N, thank you for the sub. We're almost at 4,000 subs on YouTube, guys. Thank you so much. And yeah, so let's maybe read the blog post about CodeQwen. Dakota, thank you. Let's see, I don't know, what do they say? Anything interesting? Blah, blah, blah. Content driven, thank you for the sub. Already given rise to several programming models. Open source, Star Coder, Code Llama, DeepSeek Coder. Today we announced CodeQwen. When was this released? April 16th, so about 10-20 days ago. Sermon, thank you for the sub. Yo, weird guy, what's good? Good to see you. We're checking out CodeQwen, the new best open source coding model, and it's only 7 billion parameters, beating every other open source coding model. Helidian, thank you for the sub. As you can see here, 7 billion model, human eval, beating GPT 3.5, almost beating GPT 4, the old one. Nihat, thank you for the sub. GPT, I'm pretty sure there's like the 2024 version of GPT would be even better than this. Beating DeepSeek. Interestingly, they're only comparing 7B models, but according to this leaderboard, it's even beating 33B DeepSeek as well. Chris, thank you for the sub. Oh, maybe it's not according to this live code bench, which I guess isn't on this. According to live code bench, it isn't as good as DeepSeek 33 or Wizard Coder 33. But according to the MVP and human eval, it is better. And according to my tests, actually I haven't really tested the 33Bs. Out of the 7Bs, it's definitely the best 7B model. Okay, let's see what its multilingual performance. Obviously, just like most models, it's most performant in Python. Very performant in JavaScript. Oh, just as Python. Seems like they've spec'd out JavaScript and Python 100%. C++ seems pretty good at. Bash kind of good at. C#, 100%. TypeScript, 100% pretty much. Oh, that's kind of like 98, 97. JavaScript's 100. Oh, maybe it kind of looks like JavaScript's actually more than... Unfortunately, I can't... Can I bring this image in a new tab? It actually looks like JavaScript is bigger. It's better at JavaScript than Python. Look at... I don't know how accurate this diagram is, but the green... the blue... Oh, compared to GPT-4. Compared to GPT-4, it seems like CodeQwen is actually better at JavaScript, but worse at Python. Very interesting. But worse at TypeScript. Okay. Let's continue. Long context. Yeah, it has 64K context as well. For a 7B model, that's actually amazing. I don't think anything else kind of comes close in the 7B range. They trained from high quality GitHub repos, it seems. Where was that? Yep. They did another bunch of evaluation. Needle in the code. Oh my god, why does that keep going up? Inspired by a needle in the haystack. And CodeQwen actually got everything correct up to 64K context, whereas DeepSeek Coder started to suffer after 32K. And on the SWE benchmark, which I don't think is great for just models itself, it really outperforms DeepSeek Coder. And it outperforms 3.5, GPT 3.5. CodeQwen are debuggers. So not only for generating code, but they're good at debugging existing code, which is good. They're good at SQL as well. Yeah, I think that's kind of pretty much the only thing they go on about. Does it have a friendly user interface? This is just a model. It's just an LLM. You can choose whatever user interface you want to use with it. Bring your own user interface. So... Oh, Lokesh, challenge for India. Bro, you are relentless. So yeah, you can use this with whatever interface you want. I like, if you're using it in VS Code, I use the continue extension, continue.dev. That one works really well with local models. So definitely check that one out. And they're actually doing a lot of great work still. So yeah, I really recommend the continue dev extension. Works with Ollama, OpenAI, AI Together, Anthropic, Mistral, LM Studio. It works with code bases, GitLab issues, files, Confluence pages, documentation. Yeah, it's really good. I really recommend continue dev. Of course, Lokesh, I remember you. I appreciate all the comments. Yo, Josh B, what's good? Dave ROS says, I heard Llama 3 8B is pretty good at coding. Yeah, it is. Is it this good? As this good? No. On this leaderboard, let's see where Llama 3 is. So the 70B is in 9th place. The one we just checked is in third place, so doesn't really come close with the 69 versus, oh, it's kind of close, 69 score versus a 73 score, but this is 70B, so you can imagine Llama 3 8B is even lower, 58. So it's good, but it's not CodeQwen 7B chat good. It's not DeepSeek or Magic Coder good. CodeQwen, should you mean CodeQwen? Does it handle back and forth conversation? Yes. CodeQwen chat, you can just chat with it like a normal LLM. Wonder how it compares to Wizard LM2? When was that released? So Wizard LM. Oh, Wizard LM. Wizard LM is more of a general model. They pulled it off, so I don't know. Microsoft actually pulled down Wizard LM2. They put it back up. I don't know. I don't think it's like, yeah, they deleted it. I don't think it's more of a general model, whereas CodeQwen is like specifically for coding, so I assume it'd be better for coding, but I'm not sure. Qwen, is this a Chinese model? Yes, it's by Alibaba Cloud. It's a Chinese model. Can you complete the challenge I gave you in this live? No, sorry, not this live. Lokesh, maybe later. Is there any similar interface to lazy AI? For example, I'm getting attachment issues to its interface. To its interface? GPT engineer. I don't know if that's still in waitlist, but this is kind of similar to lazy AI. Yeah, it's still in waitlist, unfortunately. I don't know, maybe you can try get in the waitlist. Try their Discord as well, but let's see if I can sign in. This is very similar to GPT engineer. I mean, very similar to lazy AI. Is it available in LM Studio? Yeah, you can definitely get CodeQwen in LM Studio. What's OpenVoice? Is it free? Yes, we're going to check out OpenVoice after the next segment. So I'm checking out RenderNet next, and then we'll check out OpenVoice. I'll quickly show you OpenVoice. It's open source voice cloning. Yeah, it's free if you can run it locally, I think. We're going to check it out very soon, but first we're going to do RenderNet, which is an AI influencer creator. So I hope you're interested in this. This is our sponsor. It seems pretty cool. I mean, I know a lot of people have opinions that these AI influencers are not a good thing, but I'm sure a lot of people enjoy them as well because some of them have millions of followers, so that's pretty interesting in itself. Dave says, I was pretty impressed with Llama 3 8B for something that runs on modest machines. Yeah, Llama 3 is such a very impressive model. It's pretty much like GPT, like this, the 8B is like GPT 3.5 quality. Yeah, it's very impressive. I'm a bit tall. There we go. Okay, says, I don't have GPU and only 8 gigabytes of RAM and i3. Can you run it on my PC? OpenVoice? Ooh. I'm gonna say maybe not. Maybe not. You probably have to use a cloud. Dave says, I hope these AI influences just saturate rapidly and people move on from caring about influences. Yeah. I know they're very polarizing. But yeah, render.net, create AI images with character consistency. So I guess this isn't only for influencers. You could use this to make stories, I guess. Consistent characters in the story. Anywhere you need consistent characters, you could use these as well. Hold on, let me fix my chat here. It looks like it's overlapping. Oh, it would be this one. There we go. Okay, face lock, consistent characters. Upload a photo of a person and create consistent characters with the same face. Oh, I guess they got pose lock as well. You can create the same pose from an uploaded pose and change the outfit of the same image. That's pretty cool. Different styles, canvas. Endless possibilities with RenderNet. So let's just check it out quickly. They says deepfake newscasters, any information source that can trivially have that eye-catching presentations. Eventually the world has to go back to caring about content. Yeah, I definitely think it's like, you'll start thinking AI stuff is cool, and then people will be like, oh, we miss the human. And then, you know, some people prefer AI, some people prefer humans. My PD says, hi, do you use AI tools to go live on multiple channels? They're not AI tools, but yeah, I use restream.io to go live on multiple channels. I'm on Twitter, LinkedIn, Twitch, and YouTube, as well as TikTok at the moment. Yo, Lamai so Micey, what's up? Have I seen Vidu AI video generated? Yes, I did see that. Looks very cool. I can't wait to, you know, try it. I hope they let us try it. I hope it's not just a demo, because you can never trust a demo, right? We need to actually be able to try it. Josh says, how about social media platform for only AI influencers? Yeah, that would be so random. I wonder what would come of that. Make Iron Man and Jarvis dance in this render AI? Yeah, we could do that. I think it's more for human people. I guess we could do. This guy kind of looks like that guy. What's his name? Tony Stark. Kind of looks like him. What kind of hardware do you run your LLMs on? Dave, thanks for the follow. I have a 2080 Ti on my home machine here, on this Windows machine. So it can only really run 7B models or 8B models. Big thank you for the follow. I also use my M1 Pro MacBook, and that's pretty much the same performance as the 2080 Ti. My PD says, what are some free ones you recommend for us pedestrians to try with? Free tools to do what? Restream.io has a pretty generous free tier. You can stream to multiple platforms with it for free. Give me 1 sec, guys. I just need to turn something off. I'm back. Yeah, okay. So we got character templates, fashion influencer, fitness model, travel vlogger, movie character. We have changed it so you can upload an image and ask it to change, like the hair color, the clothing, or even the car. Wow, that's pretty cool. From a black car to a red car, that's really cool. We can recreate other people's images. I have a gallery here. Okay, so should we create our own movie character? Or yeah, let's create a tech influencer. Can we do that? They don't really have that as an option. Let's try fashion influencer. And wonder if I can use my own face. Give me 1 second. Let me try to find an image of myself. Create a sci-fi dynamic character. What do you mean by dynamic? I'm interested in the idea of mixture of experts with Q-Lauras, like having a 7B of main model plus half times 8 9B param, something like that. Should run on 12GB GPUs just fine or less with more quantity. Yeah, definitely some opportunity in that space. Find a photo of my face. Could use For best results, a face close up. Have this image. I think if I just zoom in and then screenshot. Oh, maybe. I think this will work. Try this. Okay, got my face lock, ultra HD, portrait, and then, oh sweet, we can type a prompt here? No. Why can't I type a prompt? Face lock. Oh, here's the prompt. Oh. Gender, male, origin, Middle Eastern, young adult, body type, fit, hair, wavy, black, glossy. Ooh. Fancy. Background, office. Okay, here we go. And now the... Oh no, that was just a prompt generator. Okay, no. Young, futuristic man, technology enthusiast, live streaming around many computers and code and robots in the future. It's a pretty random prompt, but let's see what it does. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, thanks, Lokesh. Darky says, what antivirus do you use? I actually just use like the basic Windows one. But if I'm ever sus about a file or something, I like upload it to, I just send the URL or check it through, I think it's VirusTotal online. Okay. That's kind of me. Let's see, what else could we do? Could we just keep generating? Kind of want to try change it. So I guess you could keep generating images. Do they have a... I don't know how much credits this cost. Oh, I got 8 credits. Oh, damn. Alright, let's try the changing it before we move on. Okay, so we can upload an image. Did I close that image of me? Oh shit, look at this, me, a futuristic. Me as a robot. Oh, nice, it still has me. Oh shit, I closed everything. So. Where were we? Okay, here. Alright, let me save this. Upload it. And I think we can say change. What you want to change? Okay, what item do I want to change? Striped shirt. We can just say shirt. Change to a singlet. Let's see, you can change my shirt to a singlet. Software, this is rendernet.ai. Goes. Underpants, like speedos. Let's just do like a suit coat. Oh man, that is interesting. Next one. Yo, Neoxit, chill. Chill, bro. LinkedIn avatar, could you imagine someone is like, tech friend invited you to connect, and it's this guy, dude. It looks like I have weird strings like around my arm and shit, dude. To change it, it's like almost good. It's just not quite at the edge. But if you ignore that, this is pretty good. Like pretty good suit. Yeah. It's just not perfect, but it's pretty good. Absent 2, hello. Alright, that was RenderNet. Consistent characters and perfect poses. They have a whole suite of tools for you to create your AI influencer. Change their clothing, change their hair, or change any prompt, change elements in the background, create consistent face characters with multiple pictures. Check it out at rendernet.ai. Okay, let's move on. Next we have OpenVoice. So OpenVoice has been trending, 20,000 stars. I think it only released, I don't know if I guess they don't have any releases, but they only created it like 2 weeks ago. They have a website. Let's see. Let's watch their video, I guess.
OpenVoice. Instantly call any voice through generate speech in any style at any language.
Any language.
We are conflating a lot of things with the word intelligence. Ethical
Elon.
concerns surround AI societal impact.
3, 2, 1. Ethical concerns surround AI societal impact.
Kawaii waifu desu.
Wanders and watches with.
That's pretty good. And yeah, it's open source. So if you want to set it up, do they have a setup tutorial here? Okay, these are the TTS and STT. Okay, here, how to use. But I'm not going to use their install tutorial. Oh, it's that easy? Maybe. I'm going to use Pinokio to install this. So I think I've mentioned Pinokio in my videos before, but if you guys don't know Pinokio, someone's made this software, so it's really easy to install kind of like AI projects, Python projects with just one-click installers. And you can manage the files and uninstall them as well. Oh, looks like I already have installed OpenVoice. Must be more than 2 weeks old then, because I haven't used this in 2 weeks. Let's see, install or update. And just like that, one click, and it runs all the commands you need to install that. Pinokio with a K. I'll show you how it's spelled. Oh my god, I can't type. P-I-N-O-K. This is the URL. Pinokio.computer. Install, run, and control bots, databases, servers, anything on your computer with one click. Pinokio. P-I-N-O-K-I-O. They have a really good community. And the founder is really good too, Cocktail Peanut. Follow him on Twitter. Okay. Runa Umar Ali's Pakistan, nice. Welcome, Pakistan's in the bud. All right. Let's see if we can start this OpenVoice. I hope it doesn't lag my computer as well. I will be upset if it does that. I've had that issue before. Okay, no such file directly. Checkpoint does the zip. I I might try reinstall this. I feel like it didn't install properly. So I'm going to delete this app from here. And I'll show you kind of the install process with Pinokio as well. So if this installs, it's still kind of there. Oh, whoop. We refresh this. There we go. Okay, it's gone. You press the Discover tab, and they have a bunch of verified projects, and you can see OpenVoice is actually up the top. OpenVoice 2. Okay, maybe that's the new one. And you press download, give it a name. So I guess it's kind of more than one click. So okay, it's one click to download it, and then one click to install it. Yeah, and then it runs all the like git clones and etc. for you, which is really cool. So yeah, we'll let that install. While that's installing, we can listen to some tech friend songs. Okay, no, that finished? No. Is it? Still loading something.
Just let the algorithms guide you. The community
Okay, yeah, still installing.
behind you. Take front street. Just let the algorithms guide you. The community
Let's look at their GitHub.
Take front street. JavaScript, TypeScript, Next and React, Python, Django, Flask, Interact, C++, Lua, and Rust. Go ahead if you must. Just let the algorithms guide you. The community is behind you. Take front
Vits.
street.
So they're using something called Vits.
JavaScript, TypeScript, Next and React, Python, Django, Flask, Interact,
End-to-end text-to-speech.
Go ahead if you must. Just let the algorithms guide you. The community is behind you. Take Front Street.
Song is nice, thanks. Oh, the burrito! Yo, good to see you. Ofa, thank you for the follow. We're just waiting for this to install OpenVoice 2. I hope it's still doing something. It seems like it's stuck on this git clone of Hugging Face, I think. Give it some time. Give it 5 to 10 minutes. Wonder if there's something we can do while we wait for that.
When the weekend's here and you're feeling kind of low.
What is this one? Wait. Oh my god, I can't even move this around anymore. I might stop that because I feel like it was just not logging anything. Let me restart Pinokio. Okay, so let's try install it again. Okay. Checkpoints already exist. I feel like I should be running another command here. Should we run it manually? I don't think we can. Maybe we should install it manually. Maybe we should. How hard is it? Let's see. Download the checkpoint from here. Oh. 116 megs, that's not too bad. Yeah, I might do that. I'm gonna install this manually. Seems pretty easy. It's just a pip install and Python. Oh no, that's Mellow TTS. And then what? Demo. Oh, they have a demo. Oh, that means we don't even have to install it. How did I not see this? Quick use. Oh, they even have quick use. Oh my god, I missed all of these. Okay. So we don't even have to install it. My bad, guys. You can just use it on the web. That's great. Is he single? Who are you talking about? The burrito says my 3090 finally arrived. Awesome. What model should I try with it? See if you get your hands on Wizard LM 2. I think that one's really good. Otherwise, Llama 3. Can you run the bigger Llama 3 on 3090? I don't know if you can. Comlan and Cruel, thank you for the follows. Michael says, I thought you were doing coding, bro. No, I wasn't. If I can avoid coding, I'm gonna be a happier person. No, we're just running this web UI of this OpenVoice. So technically, it is an open source voice cloning tool, so you can run it from source code if you want, or you can just run the web thing here. So they have, hey, I can clone an Australian English voice for you. Click voice clone, upload audio, click my clone to create. Okay, so let's upload. Wait, click / voice clone. Clone now. Okay. Please upload an audio file. Cloning costs 10 credits. We recommend files that meet a single person speaking. No, I think I already have one. Let me check. Let me check my downloads. Yeah. Yeah, I thought so too, the burrito. Here. Hey, hello, what's up? This is not what I actually said. Hello. This is going to be a clear, but I will just say random. Okay, that's my voice recording. Where do we upload it? You just drag it into the user interface. Wow, this is actually a really good user interface. I'm surprised that an open source project has such a nice user interface. I've uploaded my voice recording there. Kind of sounds like this. Hello. This is going to be a clear 30-second sample of me talking so that I can clone my voice. I don't really know. And just like that, in under 10 seconds, it's successfully created my voice. Now we can type any text to listen to the voice you created. Hey, I'm Tech Friend, and I like apples, bananas, and oranges also. Let's see what I sound like.
Hey, I'm Tech Friend, and I like apples, bananas, and oranges also.
I don't know, I said this before. Last time I heard my own voice, I said it didn't sound like me. I think this one's even worse than the last time, but after I made that video, I look back on it and it sounded like me. I don't know what you guys think. Like, how close is this to my voice? I'm gonna say something and then I will have that one say the exact same thing. Llamas are a cool animal. Llamas are a cool animal. Llamas are a
cool animal.
It's kind of close. I'd say it's like 75% me. But the fact that it's open source and free, I think is a big thing. Robot, says Francisco. Yeah, it does sound a bit robotic. DeBurrito says it sounds nothing alike. Yeah, fair enough. General Grievous, yes. Cruel One, what's up? Okay, that's good. I'm glad I didn't go to the effort of installing the whole thing. Just to be disappointed like that. But yeah, I mean, even from the demo, you could tell it wasn't super accurate. Anyway, let's we can move on now, I guess, to the next thing. TaskingAI. Check this one out, guys. TaskingAI. Oh, my water's out. I'm thirsty. TaskingAI, an open source platform for AI native application development. Is there a pitch? So So I'm pretty sure it's just they have a console and an SDK. Okay. They pitch themselves as an LLM application development software. That's not the impression I got looking at their GitHub. Product, they have an assistance API. They do retrieval, so like vector-based document retrieval system. They have a bunch of tools. GitHub was better, to be honest. Have a look at this. So that's kind of the interface. We've all seen these chat interfaces. This is pretty much exactly like the OpenAI assistants. If you guys have seen that, you kind of create an assistant. You can give it documents, and then you chat with it, and it uses your documents in a RAG way to answer your questions. You give it a system prompt and some tools. So it's really cool. We have an open source version of this. I think the OpenAI assistants are great. And then I guess you can host it and use an API to talk to it. Francisco says, is it just me, or is there not much video on action recognition models? Like LAM? There's literally no public LAMs. It just doesn't exist. Oh, you mean sports actions. That's like, yeah, vision, computer vision. Yeah, where would you find that? I've seen some people working on that on my LinkedIn, but I'm not sure where you would find, or if there even is any open models of that. Naz, thank you for the follow. Yeah, so yeah, it works with pretty much any LLM you want. And yeah, this is the coolest part for me, is the plugin. So you can plug in Google Search, Wolfram Alpha, YouTube, Web Reader, Arithmetic, DALL-E 3, CoinMarketCap. I'm sure you need an API key for most of these, but that's really cool. How can we use it? Quick start with Docker. Or, oh no, you still need Docker. So they don't have their own host. Get started. Let's see. Do they have their own host? Oh, they might. Sign in with Google. The Burrito says, I saw a video on my recommended talking about tracking people playing tennis. You can do that with Python libraries. Yeah. That's what I was thinking, like, it's some computer vision thing, maybe with OpenCV. Check out Diffie. I have it running, it's pretty similar. I've definitely heard of Diffie. What was that? No, it looks very similar, you're right. Oh, it's sick. Okay. Oh, nice. You can make your own workflows. Oh, they have LLM ops as well. Base and assistance. Build autonomous agents. That's super cool. What are you using Diffie for, Aiden? Clean sheet, thank you for the follow. Yeah, it looks like they actually do host a console as well with TaskingAI. Let's do a test project. Oh shit, what did I do? I accidentally, oh no, I think I switched tabs. Test project. Testing. You do work stuff, knowledge retrieval, nice. Okay, we can add a model, assistance, retrieval, we can add documentations, give us tools, and a playground to test the assistant. That's super cool. What about the tools? Yeah, tools, new plugin. Yes, sick. Google. Yeah, DuckDuckGo. Archive search. Super cool. YouTube videos. Let's do a tech friend. Oh, you need a Google API key for YouTube. That makes sense. I assume that as well. So you could probably make some really cool assistants with that. I'm gonna add that to my rubric. Diffie and tasking. I don't think I have a assistance. Assistants. OpenAI assistants, and then we got tasking AI. So Diffie AI. We won't go into comparing them, but they seem very similar. When do you think Microsoft will release 5.3.14b? I have no idea. It had some impressive benchmarks, nice. What's a rubric? Rubric's kind of like a table of criteria that you assess something by. I think that's my understanding. Let me ask Google. A set of instructions or rules, kind of, I guess. So yeah, I have like, this is probably my most complete one, is my coding tools. I have a bunch of coding tools and what I rated them, and kind of like a yes or no to what features they have. Yo, in abundance and Skoy, thank you for joining. How are you guys doing? Hope you're well. Kind of went through all the agenda topics today, so definitely not stolen from Matthew Berman. No, I mean, I'm very inspired by Matthew Berman for sure, but does he have a rubric as well? I've seen him test models themselves. Yeah, he's great. He's definitely one of the better AI influencers. Who's this guy?
Vinod Khosla, the founder of Khosla Ventures, the famed
Khosla
venture
Ventures.
capital firm in Silicon Valley, has put out 12 incredible predictions. Child 24/7.
Expertise will be near free.
I think this is probably the most likely prediction he has. And in fact, I think the scope that he's describing here is actually much smaller than what the possible scope.
So we'll have AI doctors for every person and AI tutors for every child 24/7. So expertise will be less valuable in the future, supposedly, says this VC guy. In Abundance says, when will you be doing a Pinokio demo? I just tried to run something on Pinokio. I don't know if it didn't work or I was just too impatient. But we could do it. Let's have a look. Actually, that's a good thing we could do. Let's have a look at something else we could run on Pinokio. Skoy loves this dude. Yeah, Matthew Berman's awesome. I wanted to show you my work on CVML, but I can't post URLs. I don't think you can do it on TikTok, but you can do it on Twitch. I'm on Twitch at TechFriend, so you can drop your URL in there. He likes to run models through his LLM rubric. Yeah, no, for sure. I have seen that. He does have his tests. I actually did steal some of his prompts for my own LLM testing. So yes, no, you're right. I did steal some things from. But when I made the coding one, that was before I saw Matthew's one, and they're completely different. The coding test. Like I'm not testing on like how they react to prompts. I tested on the actual features of the coding agents. So I wasn't testing models. I was testing tools at that time. Anyway, let's look at what things could we run. Oh, you can do Devika with Pinokio. That's actually really cool. Let's have a look at the Devika GitHub. Like, what have they released recently? I haven't checked up on them in a while. No releases. Yo, Yomoda, thanks for the follow. Tomboa, thank you. Have you bothered to make a Java-like agent for your day-to-day work? Not really. Would it be worth my time to do? Up to you. Depends how hard you want to go on it. I think a lot of people are working on a similar thing. At the moment, like, I don't mind doing everything myself. And like everything else that I've tested doesn't really jump to doesn't meet my standard. Alright, Francisco, let's see your video.
Hi there, my name is Francisco and I'm the founder of Team Sports. Sports technology is not a novelty. However, as you might know, unless you are a professional player on a professional league, you will not have anywhere near the same level of resources that a professional player has. The challenges are not just pricing. For example,
Nice to meet you too,
basketball is now the second most played sport.
Fast
in the UK.
forward to the MLB.
However, it receives less day athletes.
Oh, you got
than any
pose
more
estimation?
other applications. Our technology is remarkable with many
Nice.
more other applications such as physiotherapy, sports recovery, and even personal trainers. That is why Mark Gating, the founder of Strava, has invested in Team Sports. But we know we're only scratching the surface. In the UK alone, there are 8 million active athletes desperately in need of the resources to help them elevate the sports they love. That's why we need a global partner such as Google to support us in our
Damn, you're
global
pitching to
ambitions
Google?
create a more
That's cool, man. Kill it. No, good shit. Like, I definitely would use this. As you can see by my recommended videos, I'm really into tennis, and form and technique is a big thing in tennis, so I watch my own form, but having like an app or something that can like live tell me like what I'm doing wrong, or that would be awesome. It's cool stuff, Francisco. Thanks for sharing. Debrito says, I've seen something like this for powerlifting. They check your form using computer vision. Yeah. I mean, it's something that's been around for a while, but I don't think it's gotten to that stage where it's super reliable yet. But yeah, I mean, still so much opportunity for someone to take it and make it a really nice interface. Looks like they're still working on Devika. 3 days ago they did a commit, fixes, improves. Looks like every day the same person is working on it. Shout out to Raj Gore. I'll get to their profile. Go. Ayush Rajgore. The hell, it's detected that the live chat didn't appear on your screen in the past 2 minutes. It's right here. Try using a mobile device to view comments. Bro, what are you on about? I'm gonna flip you to your YouTube. No worries, Skoy. I think it's a better experience on YouTube and Twitch anyway. Works for disabled athletes too, all running on device. Wow, okay, that's pretty impressive. Nice, Francisco. I hope you do well. Founder of What I Wear. I play with AI. Hey, I give this guy a follow. Seems pretty low key. Does he post? Well, he doesn't really post, unfortunately. Okay. Probably won't try Devika. I don't think it's up to. Do they have SWE agent? They have so many things. Oh, Elmo, hello. It has been a while. Civilization, yo. State-of-the-art open source model for 3D reconstruction from a single image. That's so cool. Oh, thanks for the roses, Elmo. Arc to face. Foundation model for human faces. Face to all. Open Web UI. Oh, someone was talking about this. I think it's for Olama mostly. Oh no, or OpenAI compatible. That's pretty cool. Like I really like big AGI, but one of the things a big AGI is lacking is like a proper RAG interface. I think. Oh, I don't think they have that. UI, private, personas, more tools, chat, beam, TBA2. Yeah, they don't. I don't think they have like a RAG thing, but Open Web UI. Web UI. You can use a local model and do kind of RAG, so like document knowledge-based question answering. I'm pretty sure. Wait, what the hell is this? Model files. Oh no. Wait, what? Model, they have, I guess these are Olama model files. I don't know why they put that there. Whereas I think their main selling point is this user interface to chat with models. And they have RAG embedding, local RAG integration, code highlighting and stuff, and web browsing. So that's super cool. I kind of want to try that. Like, you just install it with Pinokio. Have a look at what else we could do, and then if we can find anything else good, I'll do Open Web UI. Is your country's temperature hot because it's hot in here? No. Right now in Canberra, it's actually kind of cold. It is 8 degrees Celsius or 47 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, it's pretty cold right now. I'm planning to escape to Thailand in like the next few weeks. The Legend, hello. Deburrito asked, do you use the cursor ID? It's pretty expensive. No, I use... Well, I like barely code anymore, but if I was, I use Continue Dev, which is an open source VS Code extension, and I use it. I can do most things with a local LLM, so like CodeQwen 7b plugged into Continue Dev gets most of the AI stuff I need done. Oh, virtual try-on. That's pretty cool. Kind of want to try that. I mean, that's just like a fun thing. So we have vid to pose. There we go, Francisco. But I guess it's not real time. Animate anyone. That's pretty cool. Dream Talk. I think all of these would make my computer lag, unfortunately. But there's so many AI projects you can one-click install theoretically with Pinokio. Paycheck Q says, I thought about Thailand. 6 months grind is worth. I've seen apartments with Wi-Fi for $300 a month. Yeah. The cost of living is like pretty reasonable there compared to most of the world, like Western world. And yeah, depending on where you are, it's just like I really enjoy Thailand. Jabrito wants to get more into game development, AI generated assets and stuff like that. Yeah, check out Meshy 3D. That one looks awesome. Wait, is it free? Should we try it? Start for free, yeah. So Meshy is a text to 3D generator, Gen AI. And shouts out to Matt Farmer, who's the one I heard this from. It seems really good. And it does so many things. Yeah. Damn, I hate these things. I don't wanna wait. Okay. Yeah, look at these. These are all generated with a prompt. Like, look at this axe. The prompt was the axe hammer, 17th century, highly detailed, ultra realistic, and it's so detailed. Look at that, guys. Like just generating assets for your game is so easy now. Previously, you'd have to pay for a modeler, and they would take like days. Well, maybe not for an axe, but like, you know, for something like this, they'd take days to model. And now you get high quality assets with a single prompt in like, I don't know, I doubt it takes that long. It looks so sick. Is it open license or do you have to pay? I'm not sure about that licensing. I'm sure you can use it. You do have to pay. They give you 200 credits for free to start off with. And then you pay $8 a month for 1,000 credits. Assets are under CC by thing. Okay, so under the free plan, you can't use it, but when you start paying, all assets are private and customer owned. So you own everything you generate. How sick is that? What should we create, guys? Give me an idea. I want to do something kind of complex. You can do animals. Oh my god, TikTok, leave me alone. They threaten to kill my live because they claim I'm inactive, even though, like, I'm not. And then I can't minimize their stupid thing, bro. Hold on, can I do this? Are we still good? Alright, we're still good, right? Let me know if you can't hear me on TikTok. I'm pretty sure we'll be alright. Is there a URL for stream notes? Yes. It's in my YouTube video description. But it should bring you to this page. What else did we do? Open web UI mention. What else did we mention? Meshy. I feel like we mentioned some other stuff. Meshy mention. The V could check up. But yeah, all my previous stream notes are here as well. Yeah, and the link to this document is in the YouTube live description. Good, thanks Aiden. Lightning AI is good, but you're waiting and waiting until you're accepted. Yeah, I've heard about that. Is that, what was Lightning AI again? I forgot. So many AI tools, man. Lightning AI turns ideas into AI. Oh, it's like an IDE in the cloud that you can have. They give you GPU resources, right? Yeah. That's what Lightning AI is. Is there a tool to extract or read game files? Yes. Depends on how the game file is compiled. There'll be something called a decompiler that will try to do its best to reverse engineer a compiled game to extract the files. But yeah, it really depends on what format it was compiled into and out of, and normally it's a lot of guesswork. Like you won't get the exact source files, but you get kind of something close. Look at these animals, man. This wolf, it's crazy. Can it make I don't say, can it make like copyright things? Wow, look at all these mechs and cyber things. Oh, crazy, man. I don't know what to make. So many possibilities. So it says, I'm trying to know developing info of the game. What do you advise me to do? To know developing info? I'm not sure. I'd say try get as much information on the internet as you can about the game. How do you get to that list? OS Open UI examples? Open source Open UI examples. Open UI examples? You mean Open Web UI? This? This is openwebui.com. Is that what you're talking about? Or this one? Open Web UI. Oh, okay, no, Pinokio. This one. This is Pinokio. Pinokio, Pinokio. It's a one-click installer. Pinokio. Porcupine, yeah. Thanks, that's close. Apparently Cyberpunk and Witcher 3 source code got leaked. People who decompiled it and then can run them. Sick. Vehicles. That's sick. Is Elmo still here? I kind of want to create an Elmo. BMW. Looks like it can do copyright stuff, so we can do Elmo. Or can I do a Pokemon? I'm gonna try create a Pokemon. Let's do a Charizard. A blue Charizard. That would be sick. Or a Gyarados. Text to 3D. Here we go. Blue Charizard. Blue Charizard. Hope. Auto style. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's only 5 credits. So with the 200 credits that they give you, you can generate 40 different models. Wow, that's sick. And estimated time is 1 minute. All right, let's try to generate a blue Charizard. Arrow says, "Do you have a list of all the cool, useful things you find?" So I've started doing stream notes. So the link is in my YouTube live video description, and pretty much everything I cover is in these notes. But I've only started doing that since April 14th. Previous to that, it's kind of just look at the video title and pretty much go to my website. I mean, go to my YouTube at TechFriend on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe. We're almost at 4K, please. And then click this live tab. And then when you click the live tab, you can see all my previous lives. And I kind of have what I'm covering in the description, although not always. That's one way you can find the list. CY, are you using an avatar for your AI influencer to be interactive? No, I was testing. You might have missed it. I was testing this tool, RenderNet. It was just images with consistent character consistency. So it's like make a virtual AI influencer. But I also have made an AI avatar with a different tool. I'm not sure if you saw that one. That one was with Creatify. I made that about a week ago. Creatify just released a new feature, avatar. You can make your own AI avatar and have it say anything you want. I was really amazed with the results. Let my avatar explain the rest. First, I recorded a short video of myself speaking. Then Creatify was able to use this to create an AI avatar. Now I can write any... Yeah, so that's an AI avatar, but it's not live. I think HeyGen does a live one, but yeah, it costs a bunch of money. Scott Friedman, thank you for the nice comment. It's not a known game, so I'm trying to find the drop rates and stuff. Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry, Desdos, I'm not sure. Can we have a 24/7 live TechFriend stream? Oh shit. That's actually an interesting idea. I'll put that in the backlog. I don't know if, yeah, I don't know if that'll degrade the quality of my streams. I mean, it would in the long run, but that's actually an interesting question. 24/7 live TechFriend AI stream. Nice idea. Dude, check it out. We got a blue Charizard. Oh, that's so cool. They give you 4 things you can start with and then you refine it. Oh, I really like the fire on this one, but I don't like the base image as much, but we can refine it. And then, oh, you press 20, oh, you can preview it. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's refine that one. All right, I think the fire looks the sickest. That's sick. So we can do copyright things. Blue Charizard, guys. Imagine making your own Pokemon game with like completely generated assets. Oh, that is so cool. If I was a kid, I'd have so much fun with this tool. I wonder how long it takes to refine. 5 minutes. And it's very similar to some of the other AI tools I've seen. They give you like a very rough draft that takes only like 1 minute in this case. And then if you want to make the fully detailed version, it takes another 5 minutes. It's very cool. Very cool. And now whatever you can imagine, you can have a 3D character of. I think the next step is how do we rig these models? I hope Meshy comes up with that as well. But yeah, that would be sick. So sick. That would be so sick. Alright, let's get some music going while we wait.
Just let the algorithms guide you. The community is behind you. Tech Friend Street. Just let the algorithms guide you. The community is behind you.
I have pistachios. Shelled, deshelled. Matt Francisco. We like the same music? Oh, nice. You like, what's it called? Tech Friend, Tech House? Tech Friend Stream. Same house groove. And pistachios. So much in common, Scott. Bro is living the life. Just because of pistachios? Pistachios, Blue Charizard, Tech Friend Chat. What more could you want? So we have this same song in like 10 different versions. You want to hear the reggae version?
Just let the algorithms guide you. The community is behind you. Tech Friend Street. Just let the algorithms guide you. The community is behind you. Tech Friend Street. JavaScript, TypeScript, Next and React.
What do I make these songs with? Suno. You should test it, dude. I made these all for free. Suno.com.
Go ahead if you must. Just let the algorithms guide you. The community is behind you. Tech Friend Street.
They just released this Explore. Apparently you can like, there's so many different topics, like genres you can test out. Liverpool Big Band. Egyptian flamenco.
Beneath the desert sun's blazing fly, flowing whispers tell through the morning fall, over the cornrows, as the rooster.
So many genres.
Ghostly echoes dance, intertwined in shadows deep, caught in a forbidden trance.
Drum step.
Stand tall and undeterred. When the silent depths bow within twisted thoughts.
Dude, I'm ready for this drop.
Echoes of specters left my pain, the heart of darkness shackled by chain. Hold my past, tune my name, milking dreams in shades of gray. Endless whispers cling my sanity, lives on vanity. Humanity is what's
Japanese ambient house. Whoa. Oh, this is so chill. This is so kawaii. Japanese dance hall.
空に昇る日本の太陽刀に継がれる冬のテント桜の木の下で感じる一体感
Acoustic grime.
Into the mirror of my past, full of shadows cast. I see a younger self bound by fist tight class. Lessons learned through age, like the turning of a page. The scars of time remind me each one a sage.
Not really
Facing
acoustic.
forward to the sun, a new day has begun. I stare at the horizon, strength in battles won.
Anyway, I think you guys get the idea. What was the name of the VS Code extension? Continue.dev is the I think it's just called, yeah, continue.dev. Search that. Or you go to continue.dev, the website, and you can install it from there. The grime sounds good. You're from the UK. Yo, bro, I do a bit of grime in my own time. Let me give you some bars. Hold on. Let's go copyright free grime instrumental. Copyright free. Yo. Big up man like Darburito. Bow. Actually, my audio is delayed, so it won't be on Riverman Gash. Yes. Pretty sure it's copyright though, so I can't play it. Oh, we're ready. You guys ready for the refined Charizard? Oh, what? That looks shit. Is it? Oh, I was expecting it to be more refined. Aww. I mean, it's okay. Can you refine it further? No. Oh, you can change the shading. That's kind of cool, PBR shading. But yeah, I'm a bit disappointed in the texture, I think, is the issue here. Or the model is kind of jank as well. But look at the eyes. Like, this eye looks good. This eye doesn't match. And it's not really symmetrical. And this hand is completely messed up. You need a 3D model upscaler, yeah. They should have one. Alright, let's see what else we can do. Check the wireframe, material. Alright, we can check it out without the material. It doesn't look too bad without the texture. Wonder if we can redo the texture or something. Roughness. Oh, this kind of helps. That's kind of a bit better. Metallic. Normal map. What else? Environment settings. Oh, you can do interactive texture editing with premium, so we could change the eye. That's really cool. Unfortunately, we're on the free tier, so we can't do that. But alright, let's see if we change it from triangle mesh to quad mesh, what happens. It's pretty cool though. I do definitely think there's potential. Obviously, just with any AI generated content, it's not always going to be perfect. You have to sometimes try many times with the same exact prompt, and you get many different responses. Some of them are a lot better than others. But yeah, I mean, from what we saw in the gallery, like, this can produce really amazing stuff. So we can't expect it to be really good every time. But this is like, still, it's not like terrible. It's like, I'd say it's a solid 6 out of 10. It's just the face is a bit messed up. Otherwise, like, it's definitely Charizard. It's definitely a blue Charizard. Like, it definitely is what I said. It's just the quality isn't as good as I was expecting based off what we saw in the like, look at this. Like, look at the quality on this. Like, this is amazing. This Stormtrooper. Oh, I guess the helmet is a bit messed up. But, like, yeah, very impressive. Very impressive, all these ones in the gallery. Near perfect. Lemon Seventh says, I don't understand multi-AI agents. What use case is multi-AI agents? That's a good point. So, good question. Sometimes like different LLMs are better at different things. So having a specific coding LLM tied to a specific agent, and then you have like a product manager agent that can manage different coders, which is using like GPT-4 or something. You can get better results than just having one agent with the same LLM. But yeah, it's just been proven that having multiple agents work together with different roles. So you have like a code reviewing agent along with a coding agent, works better than just trying to have one agent do everything. I hope that kind of answers your question. The Burrito says, if you had some 3D modeling skills, you could actually refine it, make it look good. Yeah, that's a very good point too. It's probably a big time saver. Oh, definitely. Definitely. Compared to like just starting from scratch, a tool like this. Dude, look how good this model is. It's actually like, oh, even this one, the face isn't symmetrical. Interesting. But just from a distance, like the texture and the model look so perfect. Yeah. Alright guys, we've reached pretty much the end of this stream. I'm gonna wrap it up here. I hope you enjoyed. And I hope to see y'all next stream. Hopefully, I'm gonna try a stream on my Tuesday 2 p.m. And this is GMT plus 10. So I know this doesn't work for most people in the world, unfortunately, but that's kind of like the most convenient time for me. Yeah. So right now for me, it's 10:20 p.m. So 2 p.m. is like 8 hours ago. And for most people, unfortunately, that's like in the middle of the night. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed that stream. I will be making more clips and stuff and posting it on my thing. Jeji, hello. Sorry you came in just as I was leaving. In abundance, thank you for the nice comments. Thank you everyone else. I hope you have a good time and we'll see y'all later. 1:20 p.m. in Nigeria, yeah. So you're about 8 to 9 hours behind me. Anyway, thank you.